Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. Firstly, select one of your apps, for example Play Store, and click on this button with 3 lines. Now click on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app and select floating window. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to move it around, just hold this line and place it. If you wish to make it small, click on the home button. In order to go back to it, just click on it. You can always use it to overlay other apps as well by clicking on the other app and operating in both of them. If you wish to close it, you can do that by clicking on this X icon at the top right corner of it, but you can also make it small, hold it, and drag it to the X icon instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!